right, Davey, let's put these on.
All right. Oh, these go on pretty easy here.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage. Well, what we're doing here, in no time, we're doing a quick alignment check, and alignment is really critical. All we do is clip these things on, no centering, no nothing, just bang, that's it.
Yeah, it makes it real easy. And you know, guys, these newer cars, especially with the different size wheels on there, the low profile tires, handling and ride quality are critical, and especially if the alignment is off, you're going to suffer from that, and it's going to wear those tires out a lot faster, and they get expensive.
Oh yeah, like on this high-performance Cadillac here, they got run-flat tires. That's a real problem if you wear out there $500 a piece. We clip our 4 targets on. We got a wheel chock in the back for safety. Push the car forward 18 inches, thereabouts. That's good. I'll chock this wheel.
Okay.
Chock that wheel. Now, one step. Got a little infrared scanner. Go in here and scan the VIN code. That's all there is to it. This thing is all done.
What we have done is we have checked this alignment on here, and what we're doing is we're checking it against the specs for this car. That's why Sam checked the VIN code on that thing. This way you can find out real quick whether your car is in alignment or not, and if it's not, then you know what you have to do.
That's right. And over here helping us, we got Jeff Peel. He's the training manager for Hunter Alignment. Jeff, what's the name of this machine?
This would be our HawkEye Elite Quick Check machine.
Okay. Now, I was able to watch the screen, and of course, it's reset itself already for the next car. We never had to push a button for print, and we have our printout right here.
Nice, quick, in less than a minute, you've got a printout that's going to indicate basically if you just have a problem or not.
Yep. So again, you don't have to have a skilled alignment technician doing this.
Exactly.
So in a service drive, you could have a service writer or an assistant drive the car in, clip the 4 targets on it, roll it forward 18 inches, scan it, and the print comes out. Here we're out of spec on camber on the right front wheel, toe on the rear wheels. Everything else is good. You can present this to a customer and either sell him alignment or tell him his alignment's in great shape, and it's a free service. Or
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Offering it as a free service to your customers is very valuable. It's going to help you keep your existing customers. It's going to help you build new clientele for your dealership or your shop.
Great, and you've got a Hunter Elite Series aligner or whatever back there. You got 3 or 4 alignment guys. It helps to keep them busy. And again, it's a great service to the customer because like tires like this, $500 a piece, you've given them peace of mind that you're checking it right there in the service drive.
Exactly.
So what do you think?
Well, I think it's pretty neat, and I think something else too is this is a great opportunity then for it to explain to a customer what toe in, toe out is, camber in, camber out, you know.
Right, and of course right at the bottom it says we recommend comprehensive alignment check. Excessive camber tells you what a customer should know about shoulder wear and poor handling. Excessive toe causes scuffing, shoulder wear, and poor fuel economy. All of the reasons why somebody would want to get their car aligned to save their tires and handle well.
Right. One of the things our customers always ask for are ways to help them explain to the customer what needs to be done. And that's one of the things that we've done here with our printouts.
And it's so automated. 4 targets, push it forward, scan it, and it prints it out automatically, resets for the next car. So you can do a volume of these cars.
Absolutely. Typically, every car that came into the shop, you'd go ahead and run it across the machine. At under a minute to do, takes no time at all.
That's great.
And you know, this can eliminate a question too, because you pull your car in, you get it checked. If you've got a problem, this can tell you whether you have it in alignment or there's something else. And of course, with something else, you may have tire balance problem, may have tire problems themselves. Right. So this is a good tool to use.
But this is awesome. Everybody should have one of these in their service drive, huh?
Exactly.
All right.
Well, Jeff, I want to thank you for bringing this by. I mean, this is a fantastic machine, and everybody ought to take advantage of that when they get a chance. Thanks again for stopping by. We've run out of time, folks. We'll see you again next time here at Motorhead Garage.
So long. So let's tell this guy, hey, wonder if he hit a pothole.
I don't think that is. He's got a little bit of a problem there.
Yeah, well, the interesting thing is he's got some caster and he's got the camera.